ferry to Russia.
대박.
와, 근데 저기 주시네.
아, 저렇게 나가는 거야? 어우, 예술인데.
비주얼 와.
Delicious.
대박.
That's. 이거 뭐예요? 고등어, mackerel.
고등어 것이나.
빙어도 같이 나오고. 어유.
너무 훌륭하다.
감사합니다. It's a mackerel.
Wow, did you smell that?
Oh, I love mackerel. And look at the pork as well. Wow. That's the yakdol, huh?
야. 근데 저 더덕. 야.
That was absolutely amazing. Yeah, that dish we had kind of consisted of different dishes but put together. And then the grilled fish, the pork, and the root. But it was an incredible meal.
All right, I'm gonna cut a bit of this. Cut this. Ooh. So you're just chilling around.
Clear the old taste buds with the kimchi. You want to do
You saying hi to the people? Cheers. Let's dig in. Let's chug in. Let's chug in. Want to try? Yakdol.
Been talking a lot about.
맛있겠다.
얼마나 맛있을까 이거.
That is rich. That's tasty.
Wow, that's good. I'm feeling healthy. But you could put this pork in a sandwich. You could put it on rice. You could put
Yeah.
it in a noodle dish. Well, the thing is, it feels like the taste is so sweet but still a bit spicy.
I know, huh?
So you could use it on.
That's
I don't know,
right.
You could use it in any dish.
Absolutely.
It was
Amazing.
a really good choice. Cheers.
There you go. It's really worth coming back for, huh? Looking at him right now, just absolutely cooking.
He's not even wearing perfume. He just smells nice.
맛있어요.
맛있어요. Oh.
Oh, that's good. This guy knows what he's doing with his
He
grill.
knows.
Let's try this root.
Okay. And that was for the.
The stamina.
Okay.
You will be running wild like a stallion. I like the grill. It has some fibrous texture.
I actually thought it was meat
Yeah.
in the beginning, but yeah, it's really easy to eat. Like
Really
there's not the texture is just crispy,
Interesting texture.
good and crispy.
아, 저 식감을 느껴버렸네. 아, 더덕구이의 식감을 느껴버렸어.
Get a little stamina in me.
Get a little stamina. True. We gotta feel up.
Ooh. Let's try the.
Go ahead. Dig in there. Dig in there.
But the thing is, actually, this is such a mixed meal because
We have everything.
we're eating something underwater,
Yeah.
we're eating something on land,
Yeah.
and we're eating something that's meant to go in the air.
And something that's underground.
Mmm.
You didn't think about that one, huh?
Yeah.
You think you have your clever cousin sitting here. That's good fish. Man, I love mackerel.
Mmm.
But
But this is really
grilled mackerel,
crispy.
oh, it's good.
That man knows what he's doing, huh?
Oh,
Just absolutely slapping around.
한국에서 고등어 너무 잘 구워요.